Super secret agent. We're gonna learn about flat sign, which look like a B but pointy on the bottom. And when you see only right in the front, you will raise the tone half tone lower. So it means go to your left side. For example, this would be C flat, which is same as B. B flat, A flat, G flat, F flat, which is similar to E, E flat, D flat. Same thing, when it's not written within a bar, you follow the front. Super secret agent, ready, set, go. C, go up to black key, C, go up to black, middle C, C, B flat, G, B, C, C. When you play with teacher's duet, you play as written.